So now let's see how we can go ahead and work around with directional smooth option inside of Corel Draw. So to do that, first of all, I'm going to go ahead and import out an image right here. So I'm just going to go around and import out this image, let's say for example. So if I want to go ahead and apply directional smooth onto this particular image, I need to go around over here onto the effects menu, and then I can go around onto blur and then choose directional smooth. So once you go around and do that, let me just go ahead and zoom in right here. You can see the blur level right here. Let me just decrease out the percentage right here, and you don't see much change. But if I were to go around and increase this, you can see that as I go around, you can see that it smoothens out the pixels a bit right here. So it's not a huge difference, but it does go ahead and then blends out the pixels together so that the overall result is much more smoother. And that is how you can go ahead and utilize the directional smooth effect inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.